There's an epidemic at Faye School causing students to have coughing that brings up yellow mucus, dehydration,
high fever, dizziness,
nausea,
diarrhea,
sores oozing with pus.
Back at Nurse Nancy's office.
Students are definitely suffering from some kind of virus. The virus appears to be spreading through contact and could be airborne.
This calls for
Captain Jenny!
General Review.
What did we learn in DMW?
Well, there's so many different types of vaccines we could use. There's live attenuated
sample of the virus from the host. It is then isolated in a lab. It is regrown in the test tube. Because it forgets how to protect itself, the weaker strains are then moved to other test tubes. The weak strains are then injected into the patient. Once injected, the body creates antibodies to the weaker strains, thus preventing it.
Inactivated.
First, we must identify the virus. We then kill the virus in formaldehyde, usually. We then inject the dead virus cells into patients. However, even though this does not last as long as a live attenuated vaccine
subunit
of the antigen and take off everything but the receptor. In this case, the antigen is part of the virus. Make sure that you do not take in the nucleus because the nucleus orders the virus to reproduce. You inject this part of the virus into the patient. The body responds to the receptors without being in danger of a viral infection. However, this does not last as long because there is no nucleus inside the virus to tell it to reproduce, so the immune system of the body soon forgets it.
Synthetic.
A synthetic vaccine is a man-made antibody. It identifies specific proteins from antigens.
too many.
Hi. Is this the FDA?
Hi, this is the Food and Drug Association.
Great. I need your help.
How about we meet at 5?
Thanks.
Hello. Hi, how are you?
Great. There's an outbreak at the school, like we've never seen before.
How so?
Here are the symptoms.
Ugh, doesn't look very good. Diarrhea, nausea, sores, high fever. Ugh.
What should we do?
I would suggest a vaccine and probably the inactivated one.
Why?
Because, let me check my notes. Because the virus is dead and there's less chance of viral infection because it's dead when you inject it into the patient.
Oh, thank you.
No problem. Good luck.
Get a virus sample from the host. I got it. Kill the virus in formaldehyde. Inject it into the patient. Results.